Hi everyone, today's video is going to help you as you work through quiz number 5. The first question number 2, is a model problem, and it really just provides practice so that you can get comfortable with entering your division and multiplication equations on the online quiz. So I'm going to let your parents help you with that, and I'm going to get started with you on number 3. Okay, so number 3 says, Colleen made 18 chicken nuggets for her 3 sons. Each son ate the same number of nuggets. Which equations would help us find out how many nuggets each son ate? So let's take a look at our numbers here. So our first number is 18, right? And it says that Colleen made 18 nuggets for her sons. So I know that 18 is the whole or total number of chicken nuggets that Colleen made. Then it says that she made nuggets for her 3 sons. And each son is going to get the same number of nuggets. So how can I show that Colleen has 3 sons? Very good. I can just draw 3 circles, 1 for each son. Okay, so we are now going to take the 18 nuggets and we are going to make sure that each son gets the same number of nuggets. How would we do that? If you said fair share, that's absolutely right. So let's go ahead and do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Fantastic. So we took Colleen's 18 nuggets and we divided them equally in between her 3 sons. So what division equation can we write to match our picture? Let's do this one together. Well, Colleen started with 18 nuggets and she divided, I'm going to use this symbol because that's the symbol that you can use on the computer, okay, just to get you used to seeing that. So 18 divided by what? What number did we know? That's right, we knew 3, right? We knew that Colleen had 3 sons. And what did that equal? How many nuggets did each son get? Let's take a look at our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. Very good. Now, this question actually has 2 steps. We needed to write the division equation, and now we need to write the related multiplication equation. The reason we're doing that is because when we divide, we are separating a total or a whole into equal groups. When we multiply, we're going to join the groups back together to find our total. So what we did here was we took Colleen's 3 sons, right? Those were our number of groups, her 1, 2, 3 sons. And we made 3 groups of how many? How many chicken nuggets did each son get? That's right. Each son got 6. And that equaled, what was the whole or the total number of nuggets that Colleen started with? That's right, 18. Very good. So when you go to enter your answers on your online quiz, you're going to first put your division equation, and then you are going to put your related multiplication equation. Remember, you can submit your answers after we work through these questions together on paper. Okay, friends, great job. Let's take a look at number 4 together. Number 4 says that Barak picks 28 flowers to give to his aunts. He gives each of his aunts 7 flowers. So let's think about that. Do we know the total number of flowers that Barak has for his aunts? Yes, we do. Great job. It's 28. So he starts with 28 flowers, and he's going to give 7 flowers to each of his aunts. We need to find out how many aunts Barak has. So his first aunt's going to get 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would like you to pause the video and keep making groups of 7 until you get to our whole or our total, which is 28. When you're ready to solve with me, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So let's keep counting up. We gave 7 flowers to the first aunt, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 7 more. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 7 more. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So how many aunts does Barack have? That's right, he has 4 aunts. They each get 7 flowers. I would like you to help me write a division equation to match your picture. Can you tell me how many flowers Barack started with? And can you tell me how many flowers he gave each of his aunts? Right? I would like you to pause the video and go ahead and fill in this division equation. When you're ready to check with me, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So we knew that Barack started with 28 flowers. We know that he created equal groups because he gave each of his aunts 7 flowers. He gave them an equal amount of flowers. And that told us that Barack had how many aunts? 4. That's right. Very good. So now we need to write a related multiplication equation. Can you pause your video and tell me how many how many groups we have and how many flowers we put in each group? Let's go ahead and try that together. So we started with 7 flowers for each of his 4 aunts, and that equaled 28. Okay, friends, great job. Let's take a look at number 5 together. Okay, number 5 says, every group at Magic Camp is made up of 7 kids. There are 56 total kids at Magic Camp. Which equations would help us find out how many groups of kids are at Magic Camp? So let's take a look at this one. Every group at Magic Camp is made up of 7 kids. So right off the bat, I am going to ask you to pause your video, and I'm going to ask you to make groups of 7 kids, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's one group. And what is my total number of kids at Magic Camp? That's right, it's 56. So we're going to pause our video and keep making groups of 7 until we get to our whole number of kids, which is 56. So go ahead and pause your video and press play when you're ready to solve. Okay, great job. So I'm going to keep counting on by 7s. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right, so let's think about our division equation that we can write to match this picture. I want you to think about what was the whole or the total number of kids at camp. How did you divide those kids? How many kids went in each group at Magic Camp? And how many groups did you end up with? When you're ready, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So remember, there were 56 total kids at Magic Camp. We divided them into equal groups of 7 kids in each group. And that left us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. Great job. So I would now like you to pause your video and write your related multiplication fact. Press play when you're ready to check with mine. Okay, friends, great job. So we know that we had 8 groups of 7 kids in each group, and that gave us our total, or our whole number of kids, which was 56. Excellent. Let's take a look at number 6 together. Okay, so number 6 says, there are 45 books on the bookcase in Ria's bedroom. Each shelf on the bookcase has 9 books. Which equations would help us to find out how many shelves are on the bookcase? Okay, so let's think about it. Do we know the whole or the total number of books on the bookcase? That's right, we do, right? There's 45 books on the bookcase. Okay? And then we also know that each shelf has 9 books. So how can I show that one shelf has 9 books? That's right, you can draw a picture. So I'm actually going to draw a line like this because it looks like a shelf to me, and I'm going to put 9 books on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd like you to pause your video and keep dividing your 45 books into equal groups of 9. When you're ready to check with mine, press play. Okay guys, great job. So you should have had 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Remember, I'm going up to my whole. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Whoops, I knew I miscounted there. So I only put 8 on this shelf. That's why I miscounted. So there's 9 here and 9 here now. Okay, friends, so I would like you to pause your video, and I would like you to write your division equation that matches the picture. When you're ready, press play. We'll talk about it. Okay, friends, great job. So we know that the total number of books was 45. When we're dividing, we always start with the total, okay? We were then putting the books into equal groups of 9, right? 9 on each shelf. How many shelves were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Great job. I'd like you to pause your video and see if you can write your multiplication equation that's related to your division equation. Okay, friends, great job. So what our multiplication equation needs to tell us is how many groups we had of how many in each group. So that's right, our groups are our number of shelves. So we had 5 groups of 9, and that equaled our 45 books. Excellent, guys. Hang in there. We have one more to go. Okay, let's take a look at number 7 together. There are a total of 40 seats at the 5 tables in the cafeteria. Each table has the same number of seats. Which equations would help us find out how many seats are at each table? Okay, so right here we know the total, right? It told us right here that there are 40 seats. So that actually made this one pretty simple. We also know what number? That's right, we know 5. We know that there are 5 tables at the cafeteria. So how can you draw 5 tables? That's right, I would do circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now it tells us that each table has the same number of seats. So we're going to take our whole, our 40 seats, and we are going to divide them equally amongst our tables, right? We're going to do fair share. So I would like you to pause your video and go ahead and do that. When you're ready, you can press play and join me. Okay, friends, so you should have started and counted. You should have started at 0 and counted on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent. So I would like you to go ahead and write your division equation that matches your picture. You're going to tell me how many seats were at each table. Okay, friends, great job. So you should have told me the whole number, the total number of seats that you started with was 40. You divided them into 5 equal groups, right? You divided them in amongst 5 tables. So how many seats were at each table? Fantastic, there was 8, good for you. Okay, can you write your related multiplication fact for me? Pause the video, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So remember, how many groups of how many at each table? So how many tables did we have? That's right, we had 5 tables of 8, because there were 8 seats at each table, and that equals 40, our total number. Okay, friends, remember, when you go to submit your answers on your online quiz, you need to put your division equation and your related multiplication equation. Excellent job working so hard today. Thanks, guys.